So today we'll be unboxing the Icon, the 1-inch touch styler by Profashion. Nice touch to the packaging. Alright, let's see what we got here. Go ahead and pull this out. Big touchscreen display here. Very nice. Let's see what's going on inside the package. Pull strip right there. Let's go ahead and pull that right out. Got your travel bag right here with the Profashion logo. Let's open that right up. Nice heat resistant pad. I love that these all come with this. Very useful. Again, with the heat resistant glove. Got the universal adapter right here. Well, the travel adapter actually. Nice thermal resistant travel bag. User manual. And that's everything with the Icon by Profashion.